So once I started taking the fridges in the car, I decided not to use the trailer because the trailer is just a pain in the butt. But I also had to spend $300 to put this hitch on and the wiring. Yeah, that's okay. But no, the trailer works great. The trailer is great, easy to pull, and it looks really nice too. It's not chintzy. It's a real brand name, not something you get at Canadian Tire. Pretty heavy duty. Got a great little Danby Millennium Edition. It's got the nice little adjustable dial on the side. Works great. Fully cleaned, no smells. Got the basket. The lid is great. Doesn't close on you, so you can open it just about 45 degrees and it stays open. That's great. It's nothing's more annoying than having to open it all the way and hold it open. So hinges are in great shape. Almost do 30 degrees there. There we go. She closes nicely. It's curbside, easy pickup. I'll help you load it. Delivery for a small fee.